What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 4 of this top 5 series of cars you can buy in Australia for under 10 grand. Now, today we're jumping on to turbo cars. So they're going to have a lot of these, they're going to have a lot of these, and they're going to be a lot of fun. So let's jump on in and see what the list is. Coming in at number 5 is actually two cars, but I've lumped them in the same basket, which is the Mazda 3 or 6 MPS model. 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo, 190 kilowatts, which actually makes this the most powerful in the list, and 380 newton meters of torque. Now, the Mazda 6 comes in at 120.6 kilowatts per tonne, and the Mazda 3 comes in at 157.5 kilowatts per tonne, making this one the highest power to weight ratio of the list. So if you want the fastest out of the box, go for this. Now let's have a quick look at what the Mazda 3 can sound like. So as you can see, pretty sick, and they are all over Facebook Marketplace and car sales for under 10 grand. So you can snap them up, have a bit of a mod, and you got a pretty cool little car. Now coming in at number 4 is around the 06 to 08 Subaru Liberty. It's kind of the cheap man's WRX, 2.5 litre turbo 4-cylinder, 184 kilowatts, 339 newton meters. That actually, with the weight of this car, brings it in at 127.3 kilowatts per tonne, and they can sound a bit like this. Now you can get these in a wagon or a sedan. I've put the sedan up here, but the wagons look absolutely sick. You've probably seen it on Mighty Car Mods, but they're everywhere for less than 10 grand. Easy pickup, nice little fun car. Coming in at number 3. This is a weird one that I never thought I would put on a list, but it's actually the late 90s Saab 9.5. 2.3 litre turbo 4-cylinder, 125 kilowatts, 280 newton meters, giving it 81.6 kilowatts per tonne. But this thing's actually quite tunable. I was surprised when I put some research into this, how cool and how fast these actually come out. People are rolling 400-500 horsepower out of a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder, and that's pretty impressive. So that's why it's grabbed number 3. These are in great condition on car sales for less than 10 grand. I would pick one up if it wasn't for the fact that I don't have the space. So have a look around, you'll be able to grab a really good bargain. Grabbing the second place position, I cannot believe that I've actually put this here because I fell in love with it, but it's the 08 Volvo C30 T5. 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo, 169 kilowatts, 320 newton meters of torque, 121.3 kilowatts per tonne. Awesome little hatchback, and they end up sounding like this. Now this is the base C30 for under 10 grand. You can get the top model, which is probably far more expensive, but it's Alcantara everywhere. It's kind of race bred, but it's awesome. So you can always start styling your C30 T5 like the top model and end up with something a little bit upper class. But these things are awesome. Now grabbing the first place, winning this list, is the Ford XR5 Turbo. We're looking around an 07 model, 2.5 litre turbo 5-cylinder, 166 kilowatts, 320 newton meters, and 117.9 kilowatts per tonne. Have a look at what you can do to these. like always with these lists, they are all over car sales and Facebook Marketplace for less than 10 grand. Easy mods, they're Australian released, so easy parts, and there's a slew of aftermarket support. So grab one of these bad boys, throw a bunch of mods at it, and you're gonna have one of the fastest, coolest little hatchbacks around. Guys, thanks for coming along for part 3 of this 5-part series. I really enjoy doing the research and making these videos, so I hope that they are a bit of fun for you guys to watch, and I hope that maybe they can help you get into the next car that you want to get, depending on if it's VIP, V8, Turbo, or whatever's coming next. But that's all I got time for today, guys, so thank you for coming along. Please like, please subscribe, please jump in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.